Top headlines for the day. All India Bhakchod has become a talk of the tinsel town for all its good and not so good reasons. Apart from the stars that were part of the show, the stars that were not the part are also upbeat on putting their opinion on the show. And new to join the list is none other than Bollywood superstar Salman Khan. Yes, the Dabangg Khan has shared his views on the All India Bhakchod roast. The kick actor called for a press conference to announce that he's not really happy with the way roast was carried out. He was very angry about his family members being made fun of at the show and has challenged them for a one-on-one street fight so he can take out his anger and show the world who the real bhai is. Now you really don't want to mess with him, do you? Thoughts? Who does not know about being human, and Sallu Bhai is passionate about it. Everyone knows Salman's prized words, don't they? Taking it a step further, the Dabangg Khan now is gonna design some exquisite jewelry for a leading brand PNG, which is up for new branch in Dubai. From Mandava to Dubai, Salman sure proves his artistic abilities in a shining way, है ना? Don't you remember how he painted an entire village during his shooting of Bajrangi Bhaijaan? And now he launches a brand in Dubai. Salman sure knows how to kick up stardom in a grand way, है ना? Salman himself, a gem, is now gonna design some gems in a design. Wow, that's cool, and Salman is getting younger by the day. So which lady love of his would have a beautiful ring on her finger designed by Salman? Varun Dhawan has shed his lover boy chocolatey image in his upcoming film Badlapur and is all set to blaze the screen with his titillating hot chemistry with 4 pretty actresses. Yes, remember we told you that the Student of the Year actor will get cozy with Divya Datta, Yami Gautam, Huma Qureshi and Radhika Apte in the film? Now what if we tell you that one of the actresses literally cried after a violent scene with Varun? Yes, the actor admitted having a very violent scene with Huma Qureshi, so much so that she cried after the scene ended. What did you do, Varun? The actor who sports a rugged look in the film is playing a character with shades of grey. His role was so intense that he felt a changed person altogether after the shooting. So go ahead, peeps, check out the movie and let us know what you think. Deepika Padukone has charmed millions with her acting chops. In fact, she's one such actress who has delivered maximum number of hits in the past 2 years. But there's more to this dimpled lady, it seems. Why do we say? Well, if rumors are to be believed, Dippy Baby is now gearing up to showcase her vocal skills. Yes, the Bajirao Mastani hottie is apparently planning to lend her voice for Tamasha, that's directed by Imtiaz Ali and co-stars Ranbir Kapoor. What's more is that Dip's darling might croon the number along with musical genius A.R. Rahman. Well, the reason why the Beat-An Beauty met the Oscar-winning composer is that she's actually thinking of singing a song for the movie. Guess Shraddha Kapoor and Alia Bhatt aren't the only actresses bitten by the singing bug. It is exit time for Ram Gopal Verma. The one Hindi project that he had on hand, XES, has now gone to ad and feature maker Ken Ghosh. And the project is now titled Triple X. We all know that. So, well, we just want to ask you, do you remember Anurag Basu's life in a Metro film that had 6 different stories, 9 people, all with different issues? Of course you do. Now, Ekta Kapoor's upcoming flick also has 6 stories in the film. Ken Ghosh recently compared the format of Triple X to Anurag's one. In both, there are concurrent tracks in the stories, and yet the characters do converge. This makes us wonder if Triple X's plot is similar to Anurag's one. Let's hope not, क्योंकि उतना मजा नहीं आएगा, है ना? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Now we know what was really cooking on Farah Khan's food show, Farah Ki Dawat. Gautam Gulati seemed indifferent and preoccupied in the initial days of Bigg Boss till he had a flare-up with Karishma Tanna. Suddenly, he was attracted towards one of the Bollywood diva Alia Bhatt. Yes, Gautam and Alia Bhatt were on a selfie spree on Farah's show. And while they were on the show, we saw Gautam proposing to Alia. Uh-oh. This is a dream come true for Gulati, as he was earlier quoted in an interview saying, "Ideally, I wouldn't want to marry an actress, but if it's Alia Bhatt, I will." Now that he has proposed to Alia, has Cupid struck? Well, we don't know about that yet, but all we know for now is that the two will be showing off their culinary skills on Farah Ki Dawat.